Every time we execute our handshake up event or some kind celebration, simbolo po ito ng respect to each of one of us in unique way that we do it in the upright position and once our hands are bound together. And it is always in the upright posture signifying our fraternal supremacy, which is the source of being strong with strength. Our handshake is more than just a gesture, it's a symbol of our unbreakable bond, our unwavering loyalty, and our unrelenting pursuit of excellence. The Triskelion handshake is our expression of the conglomeration of the three dynamic forces, which are the Fortis, Voluntas, and Fraternitas. As we can observe, the Triskelion handshake has three parts, the thumb, the little finger, and the three fingers in between. The thumb is no doubt to be the strongest finger and therefore it represents the Fortis. On the other end, the little finger represents Voluntas because it is so free and it is where you feel the least stress of your hand. The three fingers in between represent Fraternitas because they demonstrate unity and bonding. Saludo sa ating malaya at malakas na kapatiran Tau Gamma Pi Sigma.